The End of Supply Chain Chaos, Blockchain and Digital Assets Explained. Discover how cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing global commerce, eliminating inefficiencies, and building unbreakable trust in supply chains worldwide. Chapter 1. The Supply Chain Crisis Unveiled. The global supply chain system that powers our economy has reached a breaking point. Traditional methods are failing, costs are spiraling, and consumers are losing trust. The COVID-19 pandemic revealed the vulnerability of global supply chains, causing shortages of essential and critical goods. These disruptions are further compounded by geopolitical tensions, climate events, cyber attacks, and inflation. Supply chains are under constant pressure from cascading threats that impact operations worldwide. Consumers now expect unprecedented transparency, reliability, and ethical sourcing. Meeting these demands requires businesses to strengthen and modernize supply chain resilience. The global economy loses approximately $600 billion annually to counterfeit goods, with luxury items and electronics being particularly affected. In the sneaker market, nearly 40% of sales involve counterfeit products, severely undermining brand trust. Traditional paper-based tracking systems fail to provide adequate audit trails. Siloed data across supply chains prevents end-to-end visibility. Manual processes contribute to costly human errors. Inventory management suffers due to these blind spots, leading to operational inefficiencies. Overall, the hidden costs of chaotic supply chains are immense, impacting both financial performance and brand reputation. Supply chain failures have widespread impacts, disrupting both businesses and consumers. Delays in shipments and empty store shelves are tangible consequences of these breakdowns. The ripple effects highlight the critical importance of resilient and efficient supply chains. Chapter 2. Blockchain, the Trust Machine. Enter blockchain technology, the revolutionary solution that transforms how we track, verify, and trust every step of the supply chain journey. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records every transaction immutably across multiple secure nodes, removing single points of failure. This structure ensures that data cannot be altered, fostering trust and reliability. Shared transparency allows all authorized supply chain participants to access and verify information without relying on intermediaries. The technology enables complete product provenance, ensuring that the history of each item is traceable and verifiable. Smart automation facilitates automated audits and compliance checks, reducing manual oversight. Additionally, smart contracts execute payments and contractual obligations automatically, increasing efficiency and accuracy. Renault implemented blockchain to enable real-time compliance monitoring and seamless document sharing across its automotive supply chain, reducing delays by 45%. Walmart and KPMG used blockchain to cut drug traceability times from 16 weeks to just 2 seconds, greatly reducing counterfeit medication risks. This innovation has directly contributed to saving lives. Valencia Port adopted blockchain to create secure and efficient data exchange among shippers, customs, and terminal operators. The system streamlined international trade and improved operational efficiency. These examples demonstrate how blockchain delivers tangible improvements in speed, transparency, and trust across diverse industries. Blockchain uses cryptographic security to record every product's history, making counterfeiting nearly impossible. Each step, from raw material sourcing to the retail shelf, is verifiable, traceable, and permanently documented. This ensures complete transparency across the supply chain. Brands can regain control over their products and operations. Consumers benefit from increased confidence and trust in the authenticity of the goods they purchase. Chapter 3. Digital assets and smart contracts are transforming supply chains by automating transactions. They enable faster, more efficient movement of money and resources. This automation drives unprecedented operational speed and efficiency. Digital assets are reshaping supply chains by turning invoices into tradable digital assets, accelerating cash flow and converting receivables into immediately usable capital. This process enhances liquidity and financial flexibility for businesses. Real-time payment tracking provides visibility across multi-party transactions, reducing delays and disputes. It ensures greater certainty in complex supply arrangements. The use of stable coins and regulated digital currencies further streamlines cross-border settlements. This approach eliminates traditional banking delays and reduces excessive transaction fees, improving overall efficiency. Smart contracts enable instant execution by automatically triggering payments and compliance checks when predefined conditions are met. They reduce human error and increase the speed of complex logistics operations. Contractual terms are transparently enforced without manual oversight. Delivery verification can automatically release funds, ensuring timely and accurate payments. This eliminates delays and inefficiencies caused by manual processes. Overall, smart contracts provide scalable automation that enhances operational accuracy and efficiency. Chapter 4. Combining artificial intelligence with blockchain creates highly intelligent supply chains. This partnership enables predictive insights, preventing disruptions before they occur. It also optimizes operations at an unprecedented scale, enhancing efficiency and reliability. AI enhances blockchain by providing predictive intelligence that forecasts demand, optimizes inventory, and identifies potential supply risks before they escalate. Real-time detection allows AI algorithms to continuously monitor blockchain data for fraud, anomalies, and suspicious activity. This immediate insight strengthens security and operational reliability. Robotics and AI automation further reduce labor costs and eliminate human error. Together, these technologies optimize warehousing, logistics, and overall supply chain efficiency. A global retailer implemented an integrated AI blockchain system to transform its supply chain operations. AI-driven smart contracts improved delivery times by 30% through predictive logistics optimization. Real-time anomaly detection prevented 85% of shipment theft and counterfeit infiltration. These improvements led to higher customer satisfaction and significantly reduced operational costs. Chapter 5. Legal frameworks are evolving quickly to support blockchain and digital assets. This regulatory progress provides businesses with the certainty needed to innovate confidently. Clear rules reduce compliance risks and encourage wider adoption. As a result, companies can implement blockchain solutions with greater security and trust. In 2025, the U.S. Genius Act established the first comprehensive federal framework for payment stable coins, providing essential regulatory clarity. This law, signed in July, marks a significant step toward mainstream blockchain adoption in the United States. The EU MiCA regulation harmonized crypto asset oversight across all European Union member states, balancing innovation with consumer protection. These measures foster market trust and encourage responsible growth in the digital asset sector. Meanwhile, the Digital Asset Clarity Act is advancing through the U.S. Senate, promising clearer cryptocurrency rules. Once enacted, it is expected to unlock institutional investment and accelerate mainstream adoption of digital assets. J.P. Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon shifted from cryptocurrency skeptic to supporter, signaling a broader acceptance of digital assets on Wall Street. This leadership change reflects growing institutional confidence in blockchain technology. Major financial institutions are now offering comprehensive crypto custody services. They also provide business loans backed by digital assets as collateral. Regulatory clarity has further strengthened trust in the market. As a result, institutional participation in blockchain and digital assets is accelerating. This combination of leadership support, financial services innovation, and regulatory certainty is driving massive market growth and mainstream business adoption. Chapter 6. Supply chains are entering a transformative era focused on transparency, efficiency, and trust. These qualities are becoming essential standards for global commerce. The shift promises more reliable and accountable supply chain operations worldwide. The era of supply chain mastery marks the end of chaotic, opaque operations and invites leaders to drive transformation. Transparent operations provide complete visibility from origin to destination, enabling better oversight and accountability. Resilient systems allow for automated recovery and adaptive responses to disruptions, minimizing downtime. AI-powered optimization enhances efficiency by reducing waste and delays across processes. Predictive analytics forecast demand and prevent potential issues before they arise. Smart automation uses self-executing contracts to handle complex transactions seamlessly. Together, these innovations create a more reliable, efficient, and responsive supply chain. Leaders who embrace these tools can achieve unprecedented operational excellence and competitive advantage. Please like, subscribe, and join me in the next video.